was just expecting you. Based off your appointment type, it looks like you were totally over having that IUD in. Just wasn't for you. I totally get it. I got you. It definitely doesn't work for anyone or everyone, and that's totally okay. So to confirm your appointment type here for the IUD removal, no problem. Absolutely. All right. I know your first and last name, but do you mind giving it to me? Thank you. No new changes to address, pharmacy. No. Awesome. Alrighty. Now, did you want to talk about any other forms of contraception? Kind of want to take a break right now. I respect that. No problem. Okay. Now, one thing I do want to ask though is you haven't had any unprotected intercourse within the past week or two, right? Good. Because, you know, I've seen in rare circumstance that maybe someone who's had unprotected sex like a week ago, they come in, we pull out the IUD, and all that did was now that the IUD is out, you know, the effects wear off pretty quickly. And so the sperm and egg that were kind of hanging out in the tube now have a place to implant now that there's no IUD in it. Yes, so you definitely don't want to have unprotected sex within the past like week or two before getting your IUD removal. It's rare, but I've seen it happen. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. All right, so you know the usual, taking vitals, all that jazz. Yeah, I feel like my life is kind of on repeat in that regard. Okay. Sanitizer. So tell me, what did you not like about that IUD? I get it. You know, the biggest reason I find that most people remove paracards is because of that reason. Yes, you know, the non-hormonal aspect is fantastic, but it's like for people who end up getting those really long, painful, heavy cycles, right? It's like, how worth it is it at that point? Some people do fantastic though. It's just so interesting to me how birth control affects people so differently, you know? Like, I'm on a pill, and to me it was the best thing that literally ever happened to me, but people always like look so shocked when I say that, like, how could you like that? And it's like, well, it worked for my body, you know? Right under the tongue. Alright, perfect. Just as suspected. Oh yeah, don't worry, we'll get a pregnancy test before we pull it. Okay. Blood pressure. The same arm. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a mess today. Typically. Pressure's normal. Now, are you familiar with an IUD removal? I don't think you've ever had one. No. I always tell people it is nothing like the insertion. As long as we can see your IUD strings, which in most cases we can, it literally takes, without exaggeration, 1 second. Because what we do is we just literally grip on the strings and we pull it right out. You know, some people feel that discomfort just for the second, whereas other people, they're not even phased. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Okay, so with that being said, said, I'm going to have you get situated in this room. I'm going to have you take this drape, undress waist down. Let me just get some consent form signs that you do want the IUD removed. You know, yes. Okay. This consent form basically just says that you acknowledge that once this IUD is removed, you are no longer protected from pregnancy. And like I said, you know, for people who want to conceive quickly following an IUD, it's usually pretty quick that it gets out of the system, so there's not a huge delay in ovulation or anything. Yes. Okay. So you will just sign there, right there, and right there. Awesome. Thank you so much. Here's that cup. We'll get the pregnancy test before the procedure, and then Leanna, the PA, will be in to take care of it for you. Absolutely. Hello, nice to see you. Right here, we are ready to get that Paragard IUD removed. You know, you had it in for a fair amount of time, so I totally respect that. Absolutely. Not all birth control works for anyone, and you always know that even if it's a day after and you regret it, I'll take it right out. Yes, yeah. Now, I'm sure Lee told you the removal, nothing like the insertion, relatively quick and easy as long as we can see your IUD strings. So I'm just going to kind of get you set up here. You are going to feel the speculum or the pelvic exam. We'll locate your cervix and hopefully see the strings. And I'm going to take a forceps just to attach to the strings, and I'm going to pull it out and you'll be done with it. Yes, you're not having any other concerns or symptoms today? Okay, all right, very good. We'll take the speculum here. Put some lubricant. All right, you're gonna feel my hands. Feel that pressure. Okay, very good. Still doing okay? Awesome, awesome. Okay. Alrighty. Just going to grab the forceps out of here. Okay. I've got a hold of the strings. I want you to take a deep breath in for me. Deep breath out. It's out. I know, can you believe it? I have a very strange request, but I'm just going to show you your IUD just so you can see that it's intact. Both arms are there, so that there's absolutely no other foreign body in there. Okay. Yes, it's got the two arms, it's got the body. Yep. So I will take that. Let me take the speculum out for you. Alright. You are all set. Just remember, you are no longer protected at this point. If you need me for anything, you let me know. If you are trying to conceive, I would be more than happy to send you some prenatal vitamins, but otherwise you are good to go. It was absolutely my pleasure as always. If you need anything, you know who to call. For sure, for sure. I'll see you later.